Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the main event of the evening, presenting Red Checker Fishing.
What's up, Red Checkers, and welcome back. Today, the gloves are off, and we're going toe-to-toe with this creek because the last time we were here, I only caught one fish. I lost my favorite lure, and the knockout blow was that I lost my kayak. Now, I don't know about you, but that doesn't sit well with me. So let's tag team and knock this bad boy out. What do you say? Let's go. So the fight plan for today is anything goes. Doing whatever it takes to catch anything that bites. This is gonna be the greatest match in creek fighting history. Usually the river has a great smell, but right now, it's not smelling too good. Last time we were here, it smelled fresh. Something must have died around this area. Whew. Get a little heat ho. That's how we do it. Oh, that could be some of the stinky. What in the world? Whew. If you recall, I lost my favorite Arkie right there on that bank. So I'm not falling for that again. I was sucker punched once, and I'm not falling for it today. So it's our skill versus the creek's craftiness. Looks like it's being a little bashful. That's what I thought. Let's go. Oh, creek with the dirty move. Whoa, back at me. I'm all tangled up now. That was a good one. Now this part of the creek smells good. Has a nice pine, fresh smell to it. Kind of smells like Abercrombie cologne. Do you recognize where we are yet? This is where my kayak decided it would go this far and no more. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check it out after this one. Let's hit the trail. So as I'm walking this trail, I noticed something. There's a lot of shoe prints and tire prints. Now that might be a game changer, and it might explain why we haven't caught anything so far. It's possible that this is a high pressured area accessible by the bike trail, it looks like. That explains it. So we got to do what others aren't willing to do and go where they're not willing to go. Oh. Let's take a look and see what's on the other side of this bridge. Nice. Oh, I see some action down there. Let's give it a cast. I saw a nice sized fish. If we catch this, it's gonna be insane. Guys, there's one over here. Let's see if we can put it right in front of his nose. This is pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to do this today. Didn't have any takers off of this bridge, but let's make our way down. Hopefully we can hook into something. It looks like they're mostly carp or creek chubs, some very large ones. It's not really the target species, but would have been fun nonetheless to hook into something. Let's keep going. Yep, this is the way. Please let there not be any snakes. Well, we got a path. See what I mean? This is probably a very high pressured creek. I think I'd rather walk in that mud than this mud. I hope I'm not wrong. Holy smokes! Look at that! Oh my! Wrong answer. Oh my! Wrong answer. Oh. Gosh. All right. New tactic. Time to think light thoughts. Think light. Think light. Think light thoughts. Think light thoughts. I'm gonna have to rinse off really good. I was trying to avoid that and walked right into it. Reminds me of the bogs back in England. Let's rinse off. Oh, smokes. I told you guys we're going toe to toe. And we were definitely in 10 toes down. Here we go. Got my first species, first fish of the day. Whoo! Nice little red-eye Rocky. Check him out. So that knocks the skunk off. Praise the Lord for that. And at this point of the creek, not too picky. Just don't want to go home defeated. See if there's anything by this tree. These are usually good spots, man. If there's anything you're looking for in a creek where fish love to hide, it's right around these type of structures. In this little spot right here, what would be great is, oh, got one. Got a little guy. I was about to say what would be great is more of a finesse style fishing. Look at that, with garnish and everything. You guys are come ready to eat. Nice little guy. He's similar to the lure that we're using. Look at the colors. So, lets me know we're on the right path. Ooh, got one, fellas. Oh, I lost it. I lost it. So they're there. Come on. Got him that time. Oh, he was a tiny, tiny smallie. Got him. Yes. Now we have a fight, boys. Now we have a fight. Come on. What are we? What are we? Show yourself. Yes. He's a little guy. Yeah, nice little bass. Let's bring him out here to the bank. We did it, fellas. Yeah. Woo, got it. I'm so glad we're going home with a little victory. It's not a huge one, but hey, still W, right? Beautiful guy. Oops. Fell out of my hands. There goes his nice safe release. All right, red checkers, that's gonna do it for today. I think we're just gonna call this one a draw, and I'm okay with that. We'll live to fight another day, but for now, be sure to hit that like button. And as always, God bless you and all of yours. Now let's get out of here.